everybody, it's Eucwizard here. Unboxing the Extreme ES Wheels e-bike. Stay tuned. Today's the fucking day. I've waited over 2 months for this e-bike. Maybe 3. Because just knowing about it. Today is the day. My e-bike is about now. He called me 5 minutes ago saying he's gonna be here, so I am so excited. And I love them so much. Comes with 4 of them. We live in the alleyway. Good, how are you?
This is for you?
Yeah.
Alright. It's a small alleyway.
Yeah, sorry about that. We're back to unboxing e-wheels.
Yep.
If you need the other door, I can open the other door.
Are you like a YouTuber?
Not really.
Not really?
Starting, but
Maybe
yeah.
we just type your name too.
I didn't think it was ever going to come, so it's like a for real moment. Yes! Hey guys, we'll be unboxing the Extreme ES Wheels e-bike by Begode. It finally came. It is Wednesday, the 20th, August 20th, that Extreme E-Wheels has really didn't think it was going to be like this, but I'm just staying up. Oh. Guys, let's fucking go. Look at this. Got my front tire here. We about to put this bitch together. Keep her for the city. And this is for the big rides. Going on long rides, distant grooms, main roads. Alright, y'all. We had a little mess up. We're gonna have to get another hand. I thought I was gonna be able to do it by myself. But this damn suspension bolt, as you can see, I just need to lift up on the bike a little bit more. They said to put this in the middle, which I did. This is where we're at. I get a hand from the best mechanic around. And we'll be right back. Please? Want to get the bike out?
Sure. Hold it.
Huh?
Mom, look. Can we go see the little bike now? Okay. Hey, where's the little bike? Of course. Okay.
Don't touch it. Look right over.
know.